गुड मॉर्निंग DNSians, व्हाट्स अप। तो आज है डे 9 का व्लॉग। तो सोचा कि हर रोज मैं घर पे बैठता हूँ और घर पे जो खाना बनाता हूँ वही वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड करता हूँ। तो बहुत बोर हो गए होंगे शायद आप। तो सोचा कि आज मैं आई जस्ट शो यू माई सिटी बाय वेट माई मैंगलोर सिटी, नमकुड्ला, यन्नकुड्ला, नम्मकुड्ला। सो आई विल बी शोइंग यू अ वॉक थ्रू। नो, इट्स नॉट अ वॉक थ्रू, व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड एज। यहाँ पे रख के सब दिखाएंगे जो भी है। तो आई सॉट लाइक थोड़ा बहुत दिखा दूंगा कि हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इज माई सिटी, हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इज माई कुडला। तो ब्रेकफास्ट तो अभी हुआ नहीं है, घर जाके अभी वर्कआउट के लिए जाना था मेरे को। आई एम एक्चुअली गोइंग फॉर द वर्कआउट सेशन। तो वर्कआउट करने के बाद आई नीड कम बैक होम एंड हैव माई ब्रेकफास्ट। पता नहीं क्या बनाया आज मम्मी ने, तो जो भी बना होगा तो अच्छा ही बना होगा। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद डे 9 vlog. And if you're new to this channel, kindly go like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button for notification. Also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and also I'm new on Clubhouse. You can also follow me there. And let's start this vlog now. This vlog started, so I'm starting from my granny's house. So I stay in a place, मेरा घर जो आता है, मेरी दादी का घर जो आता है मैंगलोर सिटी में आता है, कुलशेखर. So this is a place where the milk production, one of the production site, KMF Milk Dairy is it. And यहीं से यार I mean पला बड़ा हूँ. I was like born and brought up here. It's been almost like 23 years, not 24 years, since I'm in this beautiful city of mine, Nammakudla, Yankalakudla. So the native language here we speak is sorry instead of the and रास्ते पे मेरा स्कूल आएगा, Sacred Hearts Higher Primary School. मुल्पाने पोतिनी नम स्कूल होगा. So yeah, as I was saying, the native language of my city is Tudu. Beautiful language, जरूर सीखना चाहिए आपको. Mangalore is one of the small city, and it's not that it doesn't take much time to cover this whole city. And if you are someday landing up in Mangalore, definitely you need to try all the amazing food that you get here. बहुत सही मिलता है यार, all the food and all that. So on to my right, I'm not sure if I can see it. On to my right there is my school. Screen में दिखा नहीं होगा शायद. But one of the beautiful, one of the amazing school that I ever stepped foot in. तो बहुत मेमोरीज है यार उसमें. I have really amazing memories out there. मॉम ने बोला कि आज कुछ चिकन का अफगानी चिकन बना रही है, तो कुछ रेसिपीज कुछ इंग्रेडिएंट्स लाने के लिए बोला था. तो अभी वर्कआउट करने के बाद ऑन द वे लेके आएंगे. एंड so this place is called as Shakti Nagar. Tulu takle pura gottun nama kudla takle. I'm very sure the people from my city who are watching it will be really funny for them to even watch this, because when I tell the Shakti Nagar across Klegottapun, they will know what I mean when I say Shakti Nagar across. This place is called as Shakti Nagar across. It goes on and on and on. This is a bit outskirts from my city. This is a place called as Kulshekar. अभी जो है यहाँ पे, this is also a place called as Kulshekar. So this is a bit outskirts from Mangalore. Mangalore is a city, but it's otherwise known as Kudla as well. Karavali also they say, very famous for fish. If you need to, you can see all those vegetable vendors out there, because the lockdown is still from 9 a.m. to from 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. I think 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. I feel, not 12. So it's all crowded here. People just come out there and मास्क सब तो देखो इन भाई सबके पास तो मास्क ही नहीं है. सही है यार, कोरोना तो उनका नेबर है, रिलेटिव है, होगा नहीं. लेकिन इन लोग सी दिस गाय, ओह गॉड, लटकता हुआ मास्क. इतना वीडियो बना चुका हूँ यार कि डबल मास्किंग, ये सब, वो बना लो, ये बना लो, बट नहीं, लोगों को पहनना नहीं है मास्क. फ्री में कोरोना चाहिए. He's a good guy wearing a mask. ओ भाई साहब, मास्क किधर है? I don't understand the logic behind people here not. There is a mask that is hanging hanging on their face, but it is not covering their the nostrils and their mouth. Like, what's the point of having a mask then? कोई बात नहीं. So on to my right there is one new mall that is been constructed, still under construction. It's called as Lotus Mall. They say it's one of the biggest mall in Karnataka. I'm not sure, but they say it's one of the biggest mall. So left में every Saturday, so this place is called as Kaikamba. Okay, Kaikamba. तो हर Saturday को यहाँ पे एक क्या बोलते हैं, मेरी लैंग्वेज में संते बोलते हैं. तो पूरा वेजिटेबल्स का पूरा मेला लगा होता है यहाँ पे. वेजिटेबल, चिकन, फिश, जो चाहिए आपको यहाँ मिलेगा. और ये जो आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे फ्लाईओवर, वाह, दिस लुक लाइक वेरी लॉन्ग फॉर द कंस्ट्रक्शन. मैं जब 6th स्टैंडर्ड में था तब इसका चालू हुआ था, और जब मैं सेकेंड पीयू आ गया तब इसका खत्म हो गया कंस्ट्रक्शन. मतलब देख रहे हो, स्लो एंड स्टडी, बट ये तो बहुत स्लो था. My city is also famous for one more amazing flyover. I'm very sure you might have heard of it. It's called as Pampel flyover. Kudlagatle gulba gottundu Pampel flyover andre anta. It took almost 10 years, around 10 years or more than that for the completion. And there was a new song also for that. Pampel Bale, Pampel Bale. That was nice. And on to my left there's a famous church of my city, Mangalore. It's Infant Jesus Church, and here is the entrance for that on my left. To my left, yes, there is entrance. दीदी आपका हेलमेट किधर है? नो हेलमेट. चाहिए, नो प्रॉब्लम. लॉकडाउन चल रहा है ना, नहीं चाहिए. नहीं, मजाक कर रहा हूँ, दैट्स बीन sarcastic. So this place is called as Bikarna Katte. इधर आपको क्या मिलेगा? कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. मेडिकल शॉप है, दोहा सुपर बाजार. It goes on and on and on. So on to my left there's a small hotel called Hotel Srinivas. I used to come there every night before to have dinner. Amazing fish dishes you get there. तो कभी मिस नहीं करता था वहाँ पे, हर रोज आता था. So the next stop that is coming up here is Nantur. Nantur is one of the क्या बोलते हैं, a famous, not famous exactly, a very main location in Mangalore. सब बोलते हैं Nantur, Nantur, Nantur. Santur नहीं, Nantur. And as always we have a traffic here. This is a place where you have maximum traffic. अरे भाई चलना, चलो भाई. So they have put up all the barricades here. You can see all the cops. 10 AM के बाद ये सब बंद हो जाता है शायद. आया नहीं हूँ 10 AM के बाद, तो इधर आया ही नहीं हूँ मैं. So it's after a long time rather. Okay, let's take to a left indicator. So this is Nantur. पहले इधर ही रहता था मैं, नंतुर में रहता था. we had an apartment here. So जब मैं अपना MBBS चालू, I mean when I was in first year MBBS, तो I was here itself. इधर ही एक अपार्टमेंट था और इधर से जा रहा था मैं. Wow, just look at that dog, golden retriever. So yes, there's a hump. The roads in Mangalore are now, these days, before it was like horrible, but now the roads are really amazing. Politician तो सही है यार, इधर का सही बना चुका है. It goes and on and on and on. So we reached to the center of my city, almost the center of my city. So on the left there is one car deco showroom. So I have bought few of my car accessories from there, car tires and all that. Left में KFC भी पड़ता है इधर. One of my favorite stop that I've been so many times. And yeah, on one of my vlog I told that there is this favorite dish of mine called शीरा. तो वहाँ पे एक लेफ्ट में एक होटल आता है शिवबाग, तो उधर से लिया था मैंने. They have an amazing शीरा. we're almost there. And this is it, my city. मतलब we have a lot of beaches. मेरा city में ना बहुत beaches है. मतलब I'll just tell you the names of few of them. Shashitlu, Panambur, Someshwara, Ullala Beach. I think Ullala and Someshwara same. Tanirbavi, Sultan Batteri, Mangala Beach, Delta Beach. बहुत है यार, बहुत है. So this is one place. If you want to have a chill place, chill type place, this is one place to be. On to my left, there is a famous college called St. Agnes, Mulpa, Burna, Javanir, Ertu, Bodu, Atu, Uller, Kudla, Javanir, Mulpan, Buruni. All the bike accidents happen here because that's a ladies' college, girls' school. So our stunt boys all come and do wheelies and stoppies here, and then they land up in casualties. So if you go left, you'll be getting a place called Kankanadi, and there's a hospital there, Father Mulla Medical College. So I did my MBBS there. My UG graduation was done there. And onto my left, there's one more hospital called as SCS Hospital. So I used to work here as well. Still do at times. This is pretty much the place where I usually work. And this lane has really amazing restaurants. We have Diesel Cafe, we have Cherry Square, and Hav. On the right there is one pub that comes, Bollywood Adda, one of my favorite pubs. I used to go there before. That they locked. Amazing food you get there. Crazy. And yeah, this right building that you can see, there's a rumor that there is one another pub, very famous pub, Social Pub, is going to come there. Not sure if it is going to come. और सामने जो है यहाँ पे G spot नहीं हो, G dot है. So that is also one of the pub. Good pub, nice pub. So this place is called as Ampan Katta. I need to fill the fuel. So जाके कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ यार अभी तक कैसे लगा आपको, आप मेरा सिटी, माई कुडला. I'm in love with the city. I'm always plan to work here, do something for my city, my Tulunad. I always wanted my city to stand out, always. So here comes infamous KMC Hospital on the left. I know very medical aspirants out there. They want to meet UG aspirants. They want to get their seat in this college. Left, KMC. Also Manipal. This place is called as Jyoti. Jyothi, Jyoti. ये सही है यार. हेलमेट मत पहनो, ट्रैवल पहनो. Okay, so back in my college times I used to come for tuitions on my left. One of the useless tuition. I don't know why did I even go there. बकवास था. घर से घर पे पढ़ लेता मैन, इससे अच्छा तो. We have a lot of humps. We have a really lot of humps. This city has given a lot to me. There's a lot of emotions hidden in this city. There's a lot of friends I've made here. There's a lot of certain small things. And I want to work here. Definitely. Hopefully इधर ही बाहर नहीं जाऊंगा. Then पता नहीं. So we are in Balmata. Balmacha. On to my right there's a road which goes and it goes up. So वहाँ पे एक mall मिलता है आपको, city center. One of the very famous mall in my city. If you visit here, definitely do visit that mall as well. City Center Mall, built by Moti Sham. So this was actually supposed to be one way because that road is closed. अभी two way हो गया. किधर से भी घुसेड़ देते हैं भाई. People just enter from nowhere, anywhere. कुछ भी. So we're almost done with my city. मतलब इधर इतना ही है. Now the next stop is you go straight ahead and there's another last stop called a State Bank. So there is a harbor there. So early morning the boats go and they get all this fish. So you get fresh, very fresh fish. तो सुबह जाता था मैं पहले, अभी बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉकडाउन देयर इज नो बोट गोइंग देयर, बट बिफोर आई यूज्ड टू गो दैट साइड एंड यूज्ड टू गेट अमेजिंग फिश आउट देयर एंड अभी नहीं मिलता यार, अभी बोट जाता नहीं है. But yeah, definitely if you are in Mangalore, if you are settling down in Mangalore, if you are a fish fan, you need to get those fishes from there. And there's a hotel there called as Hotel Narayana. I'm like, क्या बनाते हैं यार. Yeah, this left side is a government hospital in my city. It's called as Venlock. And ऐसा सीधा जाऊंगा तो रेलवे स्टेशन पड़ेगा. So इधर सीधा जाएंगे, straight जाएंगे तो रेलवे स्टेशन आएगा. So now I need to make a U-turn and go all the way back to the place I work out. ऐसे इधर आया क्योंकि दिखाना चाहता था कि क्या होता है मेरी सिटी में. It's a very small city but a very beautiful city. I'm very sure you might have seen till now. It's a very beautiful city. So उधर है अपना रेलवे स्टेशन. आप बताओ रेलवे स्टेशन पकड़ के किधर, कौन सा सिटी पहले आऊँ मैं आफ्टर लॉकडाउन, because I have planned that I need to travel the north, try all the street food. So I'll be coming there soon. So on the left is my railway station. And I want to thank you all यार TNSians out there. Thank you so much for supporting me. And you know, ये सब vlog जो भी कर रहा हूँ यार, it is all new to me. Okay, it is absolutely new to me. Along the way I'm learning a lot of things. अभी जो camera angle जो भी है it is horrible. But I'm learning a lot of new things thanks to you, because I always want to try out so many things out there, so many new things. So you guys inspire me. Keep inspiring me like this, and I love you all.